Hi, my name is Zoya Qureshi, and I have a small chocolate entrepreneurship or a small business called Pretty and Pink. I came to ICCA to pursue the art of chocolate making, and like you can see, we've made all these chocolates ourselves over a period of a very hectic 2 days. Why I did this course is because in my research I came across different techniques and different flavors that ICCA was doing, and it was really worth it all. Whatever was mentioned in the brochure, whatever was mentioned online, I pretty much did all of that. So I learned fantastic techniques, I learned fantastic flavors. I've been a blogger and I've been researching this quite a lot, but the techniques which I learned are ones which I've never done before. If you could see the display, we've done really all this amazing stuff over a period of 2 days. And I would recommend this course for anyone who's interested. Even if you are into the chocolate business, even if you make chocolates yourself, I'm sure there's pretty much a lot you can learn, and our chefs here have been amazing. They've been really, really sweet to us, like these chocolates, because we had a lot of endless questions. So it was amazing to learn about the temperatures, the textures, the shapes, and I think I'll come back if there's a diploma, if there's a further degree, I'll definitely come back for that. Yeah.